Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Minds, the place where smart drivers get smarter. If you want your car to last longer, run better, and save you money, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple but powerful secret. Doing this will make your car battery last twice as long. Yes, you heard that right? Twice as long. And it doesn't require any fancy tools or expensive products. If you've ever been stuck with a dead battery, late for work, or stranded in the parking lot, you'll want to stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your car battery strong, healthy, and long-lasting. Let's get into it. Why batteries die early? Let's start with something simple. Why do car batteries die before they should? Most car batteries are made to last 3 to 5 years, but a lot of people end up replacing theirs in just 1 or 2. That's annoying, expensive, and honestly, totally avoidable. Here's what usually kills your battery early. If you take short trips all the time, your battery doesn't get enough time to recharge. Extreme heat or freezing weather. That drains battery power faster than you think. Leaving your lights or phone charger plugged in after turning off the car? That's another big one. Corrosion or dirt on the battery terminals can block power flow. If your battery uses water and it gets too low, that's a problem too. And finally, if your alternator isn't doing its job, your battery will wear out fast. Sound familiar? Don't worry, I'm about to show you how to fix all of this. Now let's talk about what you can do to double your battery's life. These steps are simple and anyone can follow them, even if you've never worked on a car before. Let's start with step 1. Keep your battery clean and dry. A dirty battery doesn't just look bad. It actually loses power faster. Dust, oil, and road grime can create tiny electrical leaks. Over time, this drains your battery and shortens its life. Here's what you do. Pop open the hood and take a good look at the battery. See any white or green powdery stuff around the terminals? That's corrosion. Mix some baking soda with water. Grab an old toothbrush. Dip it in the mix and gently scrub away the corrosion. Once it's clean, dry it with a soft cloth. Pro tip, rub a little petroleum jelly or terminal grease on the battery posts. That helps stop corrosion from coming back. Step 2 is really important. Check your battery voltage regularly. Don't wait until your battery dies and leaves you stuck. A simple monthly check can save you big headaches. Here's what to do. First, get a digital multimeter. They're cheap, usually under $20 at any hardware or auto store. To check your battery, turn off the engine. Then touch the red probe to the positive terminal. That's the one with the plus sign. Next, touch the black probe to the negative terminal, the one with the minus sign. Look at the multimeter screen. A healthy battery should read 12.6 volts or more when the car is off. If it's below 12.4 volts, your battery needs charging. Don't ignore it. Pro tip, start your car and check again. The voltage should rise to about 13.7 to 14.7 volts. This means your alternator is working and charging the battery properly. Now let's talk about step 3. Taking your car on longer drives. Short trips are one of the biggest reasons car batteries die early. If you only drive 5 minutes to the store and back, your battery doesn't get a full charge. Here's what you should do. Try to take your car for a longer drive once a week. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and if possible, drive at highway speeds. This lets your alternator fully recharge the battery. It also helps burn off moisture in the engine, which keeps your car running better and even improves your fuel economy. Pro tip, if you work from home or don't use your car much, don't just leave it sitting. Start the engine every 3 to 4 days and let it run for about 15 minutes. This keeps the battery healthy and ready to go. Step 4, don't let your battery sit too long. Step 4 is very important. Don't let your battery sit unused for too long. If you leave your car parked for weeks without starting it, your battery can die. Even when your car is off, it still uses a little power for things like alarms and clocks. Here's what you can do. If you won't drive your car for a while, use a battery maintainer or trickle charger. These devices slowly charge your battery to keep it full, but they don't overcharge it or damage it. They're especially useful if you're going on a long vacation or storing your car for the winter. Pro tip, if you live somewhere cold, take your battery out and store it inside a warmer place, like a garage. Use a maintainer on it while it's stored to keep it healthy through the cold months. Step 5. Protect your battery from heat. Step 5 is really important. Believe it or not, heat damages more car batteries than cold. Hot weather makes the battery's fluid evaporate faster. It also breaks down the battery's parts inside, making it wear out quicker. Here's what you should do. Whenever you can, park your car in the shade or inside a garage. This keeps the battery cooler and helps it last longer. Many cars come with a battery cover that insulates it from heat. If your car doesn't have one, you can easily buy a cheap insulated battery cover online or at an auto parts store. Pro tip: after a long drive on a hot day, if it's safe, crack your car windows just a little bit. This helps cool down the engine, area, and cabin faster, which protects your battery and other parts from extra heat. Step 6. Tighten loose connections. Loose or corroded battery cables cause problems with your car's charging system. When the cables aren't tight, your battery has to work harder, which can make it die faster. Here's how to check. First, make sure your car is off. Then, gently wiggle the battery cables where they connect to the battery. If they move or feel loose, that's a problem. Grab a wrench and carefully tighten the cable clamps. Don't force it, just snug them up so they don't move. Pro tip: make it a habit to check these cables every time you get an oil change. A quick look now can stop bigger problems later. Keeping your battery cables tight helps your battery last longer and keeps your car running smoothly. Step 7. Watch for electrical drains. Step 7 is super important. Some things in your car keep using power even when the engine is off. This includes things like alarms, GPS units, dash cams, or sometimes a faulty relay. These hidden drains can slowly kill your battery without you noticing. Here's what you can do. If your battery keeps dying, ask a mechanic to do a parasitic draw test. Many shops do this for free or a low cost. You can also try this yourself. Pull out one fuse at a time while checking the battery drain with a multimeter. When the drain drops, you've found the problem. Pro tip: always unplug phone chargers and other accessories before turning off your car. Even when you're not using them, they can keep drawing power and drain your battery. Step 8. Add distilled water, if needed. Step 8 is for older batteries that are not sealed. These batteries have removable caps so you can check the water inside. Here's what you do. Carefully open the caps on top of the battery. Use a flashlight to look inside each cell. If you see the metal lead plates inside and they look dry or exposed, it's time to add water. But only add distilled water, never use tap water. Tap water has minerals that can damage your battery and shorten its life. Pro tip: when adding water, fill just enough to cover the plates, not too much. If you overfill, the battery acid can spill out during charging, which can be dangerous and cause corrosion. Keeping the water at the right level helps your battery stay healthy and work better for longer. Step 9. Replace your battery before it fails. Car batteries don't last forever. If you wait too long, your battery can die when you least expect it, leaving you stuck and stranded. Here's what to do. If your battery is more than 5 years old, get it tested by a mechanic or at an auto parts store, even if it seems to be working fine. If the test shows your battery is weak or reading low, replace it before winter or any long road trips. This way, you avoid surprises and problems on the road. Pro tip: keep a portable jump starter in your trunk. It's a small device that can jumpstart your car battery anytime, even if no one else is nearby to help. Being prepared can save you time, money, and stress. Final tips to boost battery life. Now, let's finish up with some extra tips to help your car battery last as long as possible. First, avoid using the radio, lights, or air conditioning when the engine is off. These things drain the battery quickly. Before you shut down your car, make sure everything is turned off. This helps save power and prevents battery drain. When it's time to replace your battery, always get the right size and type for your car. Check your owner's manual or ask a professional to be sure. Also, keep your car's charging system in good shape. If the alternator or voltage regulator isn't working properly, your battery won't charge right and could die early. If your dashboard battery light comes on, don't ignore it. Get your car checked right away. Remember, A little care goes a long way. Follow these steps and you can easily get 5 years or more from a good quality battery. So, there you have it. Simple, easy steps that can make your car battery last twice as long. No more surprise breakdowns. No more having to replace your battery way too soon. And best of all, no more wasting money on batteries that don't last. If you found this video helpful, please do us a favor. Hit that like button to show your support. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about batteries or if you want to share your own tips. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Motor Minds for more smart car tips every week. Want to save more money and keep your car running like new? Check out our other videos right here on the screen. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drive smart and stay charged.